In modern agriculture, scale is no longer measured in acres. It's defined in automation, precision, and aerial power. What if a single fleet could outperform traditional machinery, cut chemical waste, and operate with near-zero downtime? Today, we're exploring 5 next-level agricultural drones, from ultra-efficient sprayers to heavy-lift autonomous systems, designed to redefine how large-scale farming actually works. Stay with us. The final machine might change your expectations. Smaller in size and smarter in power, meet the all-new DJI Agras T25. Agro-drone spraying now demands maximum efficiency, greater flexibility, and effortless convenience, especially when operating across small and medium-sized fields. The T25 has a 20-kilogram spraying payload and can cover up to 12 hectares per hour. Equipped with a dual atomizing spraying system, it produces fine, uniform spray droplets, and 16 liters can be sprayed per minute, thanks to a 33% increase in flow rate. Its solenoid valves completely eliminate drips and leaks. The T25 has a 25-kilogram spreading payload and supports multiple operation scenarios, while its spiral channel spinning disc spreads material more uniformly. You can also switch to smaller hopper gates for lower flow rates, spreading with higher precision. This lightweight drone is optimized for solo ops, and with its smaller size when unfolded, it can safely take off and land in complex environments. The T25 is equipped with a high-resolution FPV gimbal camera and can conduct fully automatic aerial surveys. With DJI RC+, create high-definition maps with smart plot, obstacle, and boundary identification for one-tap takeoff and fully automatic operation. The T25 can also be upgraded with a pair of centrifugal sprinklers for manual operation and tree spraying. The 4-antenna O3 transmission system reduces interference and maintains a stable and reliable signal even when working with tall crops. When flying in areas with hills and obstacles, the optional DJI Relay module helps maintain connectivity for improved operational safety. The T25's active phased array radar grants higher detection precision, and together with its rear phased array radar, it achieves multidirectional obstacle sensing. With 2 sets of binocular vision sensors, it can accurately sense terrain and obstacles for automatic obstacle bypassing and terrain following over steep slopes. With the DJI Mavic 3M, capture high-resolution maps to elevate T25 efficiency and generate prescription maps for variable rate spreading and spraying. The T25's DB800 intelligent flight batteries increase flight time, while the D6000i multifunctional inverter generator enables 9-minute fast charging, and the C8000 intelligent charger supports direct utility charging. Light, portable, smart. This is the brand new DJI Agras T25, priced at approximately $15,000. Farming is always evolving. So does our tool. Introducing the XAG P150 Max, an agricultural drone built to push efficiency even further. Leading performance, top intelligence, and proven reliability. Engineered to tackle the most challenging demand in the field. Robust design gives the P150 Max its edge. High-performance 63 inches propellers deliver powerful lift. Payload capacity reaches up to 80 kilograms. Big drone, yet easy to transport. Foldable arms and propellers make packing simple. Swap task systems in seconds for any operation. From one field to the next, you're always ready. Precision spraying reaches new heights with the 5th-generation Revo spray system. A maximum 80 liters tank tackles demanding jobs. A flight speed of up to 20 meters per second brings unmatched efficiency. Dual impeller pumps deliver a steady flow of up to 32 liters per minute. For orchards and high-volume applications, upgrade to 4 nozzles for a maximum flow rate of 46 liters per minute. Adjust droplet size from 60 to 500 microns with intelligent centrifugal nozzles. Maximize coverage and minimize chemical waste. For rotors, create a powerful downdraft, driving spray deep into dense canopies. Both sides of every leaf are covered at every pass. Unlock the next generation of spreading with the RevoCast system. Load up the 115 liters container with seeds, fertilizers, and more. With a spread rate of 300 kilograms per minute, you cover more ground with fewer stops. Field mapping is now built in. The P150 Max executes autonomous flights and captures high-definition images, stitched into detailed field maps. One flight covers up to 20 hectares. No network required. Efficiency never sacrifices safety. Powered by the XAG Super X5 Ultra Intelligent Control System, it delivers fully autonomous flight. For de-imaging radar and camera detect obstacles, every minute in the field counts. XAG's smart supercharge battery can be refilled in 7 minutes using dual chargers. A mist cooling system allows immediate recharging after landing and rapid redeployment, even in extreme heat. Just 2 battery sets keep operations continuous, and the P150 Max can even fly with 1 battery for smaller tasks. Smart, efficient, and always reliable. Evolve with the XAG P150 Max. This advanced Agri drone is available for $30,000. Introducing a fully loaded flagship. This is the DJI Agras T100. With a maximum payload of 100 kilograms and a single-axis thrust of 82 kilograms. The T100 features a coaxial dual-rotor configuration and 62 inches carbon fiber propellers, delivering powerful and robust performance. The drone delivers strong spraying power with a 100 kilograms payload and dual sprinklers capable of a maximum flow rate of 30 liters per minute. For orchard and high-volume applications, switch to 4 water-cooled mist spray sprinklers to increase the flow rate to 40 liters per minute. The durable dual-motor water-cooled structure mist droplets as fine as 50 microns enhance liquid penetration and ensure comprehensive spraying coverage. The T100 supports quick swapping to its spreading system with a spreading payload of 100 kilograms. The new generation screw feeder delivers a flow rate of up to 400 kilograms per minute with support for high-speed spreading at 20 meters per second, boosting operational efficiency by 66%. Equipped with a high-torque screw feeder motor, it ensures smoother spreading operations with various feeder types for precise spreading. The 150 liters spreading tank supports lightweight granulars like grass seeds. With a lifting capacity of 100 kilograms, with weight detection system, T100 can transform into a transport solution, supported by a triaxial force sensor that stabilizes cargo mid-flight for steady transportation. Real-time AR guidance and remote controller features make loading and unloading seamless, while automatic flight support simplifies operations. Safety is non-negotiable, and the T100 features a next-level safety system with LAR and millimeter-wave radar for safer automatic operation and accurate obstacle mapping. An advanced quad vision system provides 360 degrees real-time awareness. The night vision FPV camera with stabilization ensures smoother footage, while navigation lights support safe night operations. After survey, the system generates 3D maps for precise route planning. The intelligent flight battery ensures stable power and supports fast charging with an 11.5 kilowatt station with additional 12 kilowatts options available. The O4 image transmission system delivers low latency and stable video, while the O4 relay module ensures connectivity. The DRTK3 Agriculture Edition enables centimeter-level positioning. The DJI Agras T100, priced at approximately $25,000. Next item on our list is AG-272. The AG-272 is manufactured by an American tech company Hylio, is one of the biggest drones on the market with a 150-pound payload capacity. It's what we call Texas-sized. With easy folding for transport, you can set up and tear down in a matter of minutes. Customizable nozzles give you wide and consistent coverage for liquid applications, and the optional spreader attachment can be used for seeding or granular products with streamlined refilling and charging in the field. You can spray all day with minimal downtime. The AG-272 is designed to stand up to the elements and has no problem navigating complicated areas. The AG-272 operates autonomously. Simply use our AgroSol ground control software to assign full coverage, broadcast applications, prescription spot spray treatments, perimeter passes, and more. Gimbal-mounted radar sensors automatically adjust in order to detect and avoid obstacles such as trees and power poles at high speeds. The AG-272 also uses radar technology to maintain precise altitude above the crops and terrain. A dual RTK-compatible GPS system achieves centimeter-level precision. The AG-272 is equipped with high-definition video streaming and manual control mode for ad hoc missions. But the real fun starts when you deploy a whole fleet of agro drones to knock out hundreds of acres per day. This isn't the future. This is now. Price: $50,000. Next item on our list is SC1 from Guardian. The Guardian Agriculture SC1 is a groundbreaking autonomous electric eVTOL aircraft designed specifically for large-scale crop protection and precision agriculture operations. Built in the United States using carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, it delivers exceptional durability, efficiency, and significantly reduced operating costs compared to traditional aerial spraying systems. This unmanned aerial system carries up to 200 pounds, or about 76 liters, of liquid payload, powered by a robust 40-horsepower electric drivetrain and a 9.1 kilowatt-hour battery system for consistent high performance. Equipped with 4 6-foot rotors and a 15-foot footprint, the SC1 ensures stable flight and efficiently covers between 40 to 60 acres per hour in real-world field conditions. Its 18-foot spray boom and high-output pumping system deliver up to 30 gallons per minute, enabling precise, low-drift application with interchangeable industry-standard nozzles. The aircraft operates fully autonomously using RTK and GNSS navigation, allowing repeatable and highly accurate programmable flight paths without manual piloting. Advanced safety features include redundant GPS, avionics systems, and automated fail-safe protocols. With rapid refill, ultra-fast charging in under 1 minute, and a battery rated for 10,000 cycles, the SC1 maximizes uptime and productivity. Starting price: $119,000. Thanks for watching. If this cutting-edge aerial tech impressed you, hit subscribe and stay connected for what's next. More advanced machines and future-ready innovations are on the way.